definitely, this time of year is good too to see where all the deer are traveling. I mean, there's tracks everywhere, but these trails are beat into that thicket there. And there's my dog over there. But this is the trail. This is the first tree you come to right here, and there's a few more beyond it. So I'm just gonna come to each one, cut it up. It's a pretty good sized tree. This will give me a lot of firewood. Appears to be a maple, hard maple. There's a lot of maple in these woods. You can almost see I can see our house, but you might not be able to. It's on top of that hill over there. But this trail goes all the way down across the stream, across behind our house, and meets up with another trail. I want to extend it all the way to the back of our property, but I like having these trails. Once the snow's gone, I'll put the mower on the skid steer and mow some areas that are starting to grow up. All the time, this is such a great setup. This mini excavator, you can do anything on the trail with this. You can dig something, you can move something, pick up your wood, move logs out of the way, stack logs on a trailer. Very, very versatile piece of equipment. It has so many different applications. With the Ranger, bring all my gear out with me, work out of the Ranger. I can throw my rounds in the Ranger, in the back of the Ranger, haul it to where I'm gonna split. Bring the splitter here on the back of the Ranger, as I've done. Split, then haul the split wood wherever I need to. It's a great setup having this equipment. I'm just gonna get this here cut up. It's getting dark on me after work. I got about another 15 feet of this little bit to cut up, and then this tree's done. I mean, the path's already clear, but I'm just gonna get some more firewood out of it.